Hi guys, welcome back to MarineMax in Somers Point, New Jersey. My name's Bill Herr. Today we're going to take a quick walkthrough with this brand new 2025 Sea Ray 230 SPX Outboard. Starting up here in the bow, you can see great seating area. If I wanted to switch over this way, I'm 6'2", I can stretch out nicely. Got some safety grab handles. Great for kids up front here. I got 3 kids of my own. Feel very safe with them being up here in the boat, enjoying that time out on the water. You got cup holders that are stored away there. That way you don't have any trip hazards or anything. You also have lighting underneath, speakers up here. Just a great spot to hang out and enjoy that time out on the water. Heading through, we do have the windshield that closes over. That way you can just get a little bit of break from some wind coming through. Over on the starboard side, obviously, is our helm setup. Nice 9-inch Simrad display. Everything's touchscreen in there. Very easy for the captain. You got your Fusion stereo, some of your redundancy with some switching, and then your digital throttle over there for the Mercury 250 that is equipped on this boat. Over on the port side, nice head compartment down there. Does have a pump out head. That way it's easy to use. Nice for emergencies and stuff. That way you can extend those days out on the water. This one's equipped with the twin bucket seats, which is nice. They both have flip up bolsters, so however you want to ride, whatever you're comfortable with, you can do that. Underneath us on the floor is the Infinity flooring. Nice and easy to take out. That way you can clean after the day out on the water. Again, this has the Fusion stereo, upgraded stereo. So you get the subwoofer with an extra amp. You've got storage under all the seats. Storage underneath my feet here for any water toys or anything like that. Pick this up, it's got the insulated cooler right there. You can slide a cooler under this back seat if you wanted to have an extra one. One of the great things about the Outboard, not only is this a giant sun pad, but then you also have a huge storage area down here. You can put your tables in there, any kind of water sports stuff that you want. You do have the sports tower up above. I'll mention that while we're talking about water sports. So you can do a hookup up there if you want for any tubing, skiing, anything like that. And then you also have the ski tow bar off the back here, whatever's easier for you. Nice and easy with the battery switch right here when you're coming on the boat. Last thing you can do is turn it off when you're leaving. A couple more storage areas there. Yep, there's your owner's pack in the bottom there. And then you have another spot back here with your battery. You can throw some light jackets in a little break there if you needed to. And it does have a door that closes over. If you got any small dogs or anything like that you want to keep in the boat, you can do that. This one's got the sea deck on the swim platform, which is nice. Comfortable under my feet. Great, another, again, for kids. Nice if they fall or anything like that. Got a little bit of padding there. And then you have your swim ladder tucked underneath there. So again, this is MarineMax in Somers Point, New Jersey. We just did a quick walkthrough with the brand new 2025 Sea Ray 230 SPX Outboard. If you have any additional questions or you'd like to schedule a private walkthrough, you can reach us here at 609-926-0600. Thank you, and we'll see you on the water.